Alright, so the footage from yesterday is deleted. We put in a bigger card because I ran out of room.
And had to format the card.
But me and Fake Dad went for a bike ride. And I'm just going to tell a really funny story about it really quick.
It's a good story.
Actually, I have a few stories. There was a little girl, and she asked who was on his recumbent bike. And she asked if that was his wheelchair. So that was kind of funny. And then she saw his tattoos and said, "Are those stamps?"
Are those stamps? I was like,
And then we were biking along, and there was a lemonade stand, and they had a megaphone. And like this kid had a megaphone, and she's like, "Get your ice cold lemonade, 50 cents," and like she was going for it. And Dad took out the camera and was recording her, and she goes, "No recording permitted." We're like, okay. We're trying to figure out if there's glass in our food.
pizza.
It's a lot of meat. I don't want to take. I know. I already threw that much away. Let's throw it. I don't want it. I got a whole bunch of food here. So what do? Should we just go get rotisserie chicken?
America.
America!
So since we didn't want glass in our chicken, we're here buying chicken because Grandma didn't want to accidentally eat some glass, basically, which is probably a good idea. So we're here getting chicken. We have chicken! Oh, we have a little tent thinger.
Oh, look
at that.
That's an adorable camera.
It's an adorable camera, Ari.
Does it work really good?
Ooh, yeah. Did you watch our vlog? Did it look nice?
Yes, I saw you stick your foot out of the Jeep.
I know.
Naughty.
She was upset. I was upset too.
Well, I still got both my legs.
Yeah, you're just lucky.
What is this?
Why did I bring my
And reveal. Ooh,
Cheesy
potatoes.
Jeez.
Is that like a Wisconsin thing or?
I think it's a Wisconsin thing.
It could be. Should I put
Leave
some
a
more
comment
on
if you have cheesy potatoes, because I'm trying to figure out if it's still a Wisconsin thing.
I should probably put.
When you were a kid, would you eat meat with glass in it?
If I had been what?
If you were a kid, would you eat meat with glass in it?
Sometimes that was all that left to eat.
That was almost left to
We
eat.
ate what was on the table. There had been glass in our food, we ate it.
There was glass in our food, we ate it.
Because right now I can work with Tyler is excited that our vlogs are starting again.
Oh, Tyler.
Oh, is this for me?
I think maybe we'll pause it. This looks like it's going to take a while.
Well,
Turn the fan off, Ari.
Oh, I like higher or off.
I don't know.
So one of them goes out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
What do we do, Ari?
what do we do?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ari.
I'm trying to smile.
Happy birthday to you.
Keep going.
Oh, that was a lot of boyfriends right
Do
there.
that again.
do that again.
Yeah, do it one more time.
I don't think I'll like him again.
Yeah.
No, you don't have to light them.
Just pretend.
I thought she blew them out of you.
Just look
You want me
like.
to pretend like I'm blowing them
Yes,
out?
just pretend. Just pretend.
Okay.
I got one.
It's gonna be awkward. I'm
Very
like,
photogenic.
Okay, ready? Are you ready now, Robert? Are you
You
ready?
got your head.
Get your. Just wait.
I'll just say
I'm laughing.
one more.
Just wait.
Blow it. Blow like this.
I can't do it. I really.
There you go. Oh, you moved. Be serious now.
Action!
Be serious.
Just see.
You got it?
One more time.
Just wait.
Oh shit. People on the side.
It's so fancy.
Yes, it's
Thank
very
you.
fancy. You're so grown up.
I'm so grown up.
You're 17, that's pretty grown up. Did you notice how grown up she is? She even has a little peekaboo spot on her dress.
That's my belly. And the back too. That's my belly.
Oh, look at Chris.
belly.
That's her belly.
It doesn't look like my belly though.
I didn't notice it.
See, then there's my belly.
It's not real?
Your belly's in the
Is that
back?
real?
It's my real belly.
Oh, look at that. The
Get
zipper
some clothes
goes right
on,
down
right?
through that. Get some clothes on. I was going to say if somebody pulls, does the whole thing come down, but it's sewn on.
That'd be bad. Your serving size.
Peekaboo bowl.
There we go. That's America.
You see him?
Oh my gosh, you can totally see him.
Yeah.
Look in here, you can see him. See him?
Jenny, no.
Wildlife.
Oh yeah, she would.
She hasn't got a collar.
I don't know if that bird knows how to fly very well yet. Might be stuck.
Oh, it tried.
It might be
Jenny's watching the big one.
Yeah.
But right now we're going to church. When I had cheer, I actually couldn't go to church, well, the church that we normally go to, because it was during church. So I recently started going again. But it's bright. We went to both my grandparents' house and for Father's Day and my birthday. And I'm being Marilyn Monroe right now. Or is she the one who did the dress thing? I should know that.
If I ever do that, I think I'd have a heart attack.
I think that might be my gift, just to imitate those goat sounds.
It might be.
For sure.
Do it again.
What was my gift? Oh.
Yeah, Joe.
Not supposed to say it out loud.
It's a
Hopefully
secret
it was quiet
gift.
enough and they didn't hear it.
Alright.
It's one of those secret gifts.
It's one of those private gifts or something.
Yeah.
Those kind that are supposed to be
That's what they told me.
away from-
You have a lot of buddies.
I know, look at me.
Can you tell me a descriptive sentence for every single button as to what they do?
We'll do that later.
Are you winking? A cupcake if you don't mind.
Go for it.
It's a grill. It's for Father's Day.
Up in your grill.
You got some tattoos?
We do.
What's that?
Thomas and Iron Man.
Thomas and Spider-Man?
No, Iron Man.
Oh, Iron Man? Oh yeah, it is. Cool. You didn't see the Iron Man movie?
No, we don't have an Iron Man.
Oh.
We just have Spider-Man.
Oh, you should get Iron Man.
No.
What?
That's pictures.
You don't want pictures? Hi, Julie. Hi, happy birthday.
And they're putting it in.
High five.
I was thinking I would start a tradition coming here.
What's your tradition?
I'm gonna just order whatever is on the board when the world shows over. That was not a remix.
Oh, yeah.
Jolie.
Julie's car.
I wonder, do you remember that clip where Julie was playing bass guitar and she wanted the fan?
Yeah, more fan.
And she was like this. Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Oh!
Yeah, the little marker with the little heart and the little smiley face.
Give her a big hug.
Jolie.
Aw.
I think I'm the kitty.
You're the kitty?
What is?
Did you want to be the kitty?
No, I'm whipping the dog.
She's the dog. Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on me
Aww.
because it'll be a sign of our friendship. Really graceful.